Why is the YouTube library option not showing? A few time ago, the YouTube app interface was like this, and now is like this. I'll tell you the pros and cons about that. This change happens because it is a YouTube update. The good thing about it is that now it is much easier to find all your stuff on YouTube. Your playlists, settings, and account info all in one place. To get to your YouTube, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the YouTube app homepage. You'll be taken to your YouTube, where you can manage your YouTube account, change settings, and check the content that you've subscribed to or saved. Your profile photo and channel name it is at the top of the page. Under that, you see buttons that let you switch between your accounts or even go incognito. The gear icon in the top right takes you to the settings page. Then, your history shelf has content about your history watching content. The content that you've previously watched on YouTube. If you bought a prime time channel, you'll see this shelf under History. If you scroll down to the Playlists shelf, you can view playlists that you've saved, created, or that are shared with you. Under your playlists, you can find videos that you've downloaded to your device, movies and shows you've bought, and more. And the cons about it is just only one in my humble opinion. Some people are teaching to undo the YouTube app update to move YouTube back to the library tab. In my humble opinion, this is not a good idea because it is really important to have all your apps and systems updated. Touch the subscribe button for more YouTube videos and click on the video that is on the screen right now to know more about YouTube updates.